In continuous casting and rolling, temperature stability is the key to rolling quality. Yuantuo's induction heating system is designed for billet reheating and temperature equalizing, delivering high efficiency and precise thermal control. The system offers a power range of 1,000 to 12,000 kilowatts, supporting both standalone and parallel operation to meet various production demands. Equipped with infrared pyrometers and PLC closed-loop control, it monitors billet temperature and feed speed in real time, automatically adjusting power for constant temperature. Independent multi-axis drive and stainless steel guide rollers ensure stable billet transport without bending or deviation. Stable, energy efficient, and easy. Yuantuo Induction Heating serves global steel manufacturing with technical strength.